Modtech, a global leader of design and manufacturer of investment casting equipment, automation and robotic solution provider from India, offering world-class quality products. Since 1990, our products and solutions are preferred by automobile, aviation, medical implants, food, FMCG, pharma, pumps and engineering companies world over. Innovative technology-based design is in our DNA. Our solutions are IoT-enabled and Industry 4.0 ready since 2007. Continuous improvement for better efficiency and economical solutions with cutting-edge technology is an integral part of our work style. At Modtech, our superior engineering design incorporates smallest details of engineering. At Modtech, we build relationships. Modtech work style and company philosophy is trust. We develop partnership with customers, suppliers, and our own team members. We focus on technology, innovation, performance, commitment, customized, flexibility, quality, economical and affordable, world-class service and support, internet and digital connectivity. Solutions are built on artificial intelligence, latest trend of robotic vision inspection, collaborative and automated robotic solution. We offer wax injector, ceramic injector, automated wax injection cell, automated shelling line, automated wax assembly cell, wax conditioning and melting tanks, wax reclamation tanks, slurry tanks, high shear mixer, showering cabinets, shell knockoff, automated end-of-line solutions case packer, automated end-of-line solutions case erector, robotic end-of-line solutions case palletizer, robotic packaging solutions, pharmaceutical packaging solutions, automated start-of-line solutions, integrated robotic vision solutions. Spread in 38 countries with our own sales and service network to ensure 24/7 support worldwide.